Welcome to my next video class, Permutation and Combination Part 3. Today our first problem is the number of words that can be formed using all letters each once only of the word Sriman. So that vowels are not together. The problem is we have to take all letters of this word together at a time, each once only, and condition is that vowels will not be together. Altogether, 1, 2, 3, 6 letters are there. Of them, vowels are I and A. So we can solve the problem by using two different methods. Number one, I first find out the possible number of words using all letters of the word Sriman without any restriction, means vowels will be together or will not be together and so on. And here 6 letters are there, each is distinct. S ones, R ones and so on. So using that, the total number of letters will be factorial 6. 6 letters, 6 are distinct, and we have to use 6 at a time. So 6p6, which is factorial 6. Now we take the vowels as a single letter. So vowels means I and A, they are single letter. So taking the single letter, total number of letters become 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total number is 4 and 5. So in that case, if we take these two as a single letter, when one vowel changes its position, I also will change its position with I. So vowels will be together. So in that case, the total number of words will be factorial 5, and I and A, they will not be separated, but if they can interchange, they first A then I, then also vowels will be together. So along with factorial 5 into factorial 2, this is answer when vowels are together and total number of word is this. So our answer is this minus that. So it is equal to factorial 5 can be taken common, then 6 minus 2. So it is 4 into factorial 5. Factorial 5 is 120. So 480. This is answer. I told you earlier that another way we can also solve it. In fact, permutation combination, problems of permutation combination can be solved in different method. So second method is that we write down consonants 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 consonants are there and they can be arranged in factorial 4 ways because they have no restriction, they will be together or not, etc. So 4 consonants are there, they can be arranged in factorial 4 ways. Suppose these 4 are the 4 vowels. Now 4 consonants and vowels are I and A. I can be placed there or there or there, there or there. So altogether 5 positions are left for first vowel I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for each set of factorial 4, first vowel can be placed in factorial in 5 ways. Suppose I is there, then another vowel A can be placed there, here also, but not there. There can be placed, there can be placed. So for A, 1, 2, 3, and 4 positions are left. So for each set, this is equal to 24, 24 into 20. So 480 answer. This or that. Any method you can use. This will be shorter. Okay, next problem. Next problem is the number of words which can be formed by taking 5 letters from A, B, C, D, E, F, O so as to include exactly 2 vowels. Means we have 7 letters are given, we have to use 5 of them and form words so that exactly 2 vowels will be used. Number of vowel is A, E, this. Now the problem is from 3 vowels we have to choose 2 at a time, and from number of consonant is 1, 2, 3, and 4. From 4 consonant we have to use 3. So this way 3C2 for 2 vowels and 4C3 for 3 consonants. So altogether 5 letters are selected, of which 2 are vowel and 3 are consonants. So this is equal to 3C2 is 3 and 4C3 is 4. So that is 4C3 is 4C1, so 4, so it is 12. So ultimately it is clear now that we have 12 valid sets of 5 letters. Of them, 3 are consonant and 2 are vowels. So we get 12 set of valid letters. Now using that set, we have to form word. For each set, total number is 5. Total number of words, that is permutation, factorial 5. And for this set, with 12 number of sets, so total number of word is this into that. So it is equal to factorial 5, 120 into 12. So it is equal to, I think this is answer. Okay. Next problem. A number less than 400, a number less than 400 to be formed by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All digits can be used. Any number of just 1 minute. Divisible by 5, Oh, not this. A number less than 400 is to be formed by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repetition not allowed. Number of such numbers is. Options are given 61, 65, 80, and 88. These are the options. What is the problem actually? We have to form number whose value is less than 400, and by using them, and each digit can be used only once. Number of such numbers. As because the number formed should be less than 400, so it must be one digit number. It must be any two digit number and three digit number that are less than this. So one digit number from that can be taken into five different ways, either one or two or three or five. Two digit number, any two digit number formed by them always less than 400. So this can be chosen, this can be formed by taking two at a time from this. That is, it is 5p2. So 5 into 4 by 2, it is 10. Now, three digit number and it is less than 400. Three digit number is of the type three positions to be filled up. So, as because number is less than 400, this can be filled up, the 100 position can be filled up either by 1 or by 2 or by 3, not by 4, not by 5. So, only three way this can be filled up. After filling 100 position, this position, one digit is used here, only one digit, and still four digits are left, and we have to take any two of them from the rest. That can be done by 4p2. So it is equal to 3 into 4 into 3 divided by 2. That is 6. It is actually 6. Sorry. This is equal to 2, 6 into 3, 18 ways. So, three digit number less than 400 can be obtained in 18 different ways. So, our answer is not answer is not getting. Just 1 minute. I think I have missed some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, repetition not allowed. Number of such numbers is this. So one digit number can be 5 way. Two digit number 5 into 4. Oh, two digit number is actually 5 into 4. Two digit number actually we have to fill the, there is no restriction. This position can be filled up 5 different way. This position can be filled up by 4 different way. So 20 and 20 and three digit number which is less than 4. This can be 1, 2, 3, three way. Then two more positions are left. First position can be filled up by 1, 2, 3, 4, and second position by 3. This is 9, 36. So total answer 61. So this is answer. I have used here 4p2, but use the formula of combination. That's why the problem is this. It is 4p2 permutation, and the formula is for combination. Next question. There are four gentlemen, three ladies, and three children. They have to take their seats on two rows. Five on the left row, there are five seats, and five on the right row. Ladies are allowed to sit any position on left row. Left row, ladies only. Ladies can take their seats on that, not here. Similarly, gentlemen are allowed uh, on this row. Gentlemen can sit only on this row, and children may sit anywhere. How many ways this can be done? First of all, there are four gentlemen. They can be seated anywhere there. There are five positions. So, first gentleman can sit on in five different ways, either this or this or this or that. For each of first position, the second can be seated in four different ways because first one occupy any one of them, so four left, and second gentleman can take any four ways. Then similar argument, this is three, this is two. So gentlemen can sit in this way. Now, for each such sitting arrangement, ladies, there are three ladies can be seated there. First lady can be seated in five different ways because there are five sitting arrangement. So, first one can be seated in five different ways. After filling one, second lady can sit four different way, and third lady can be seated three different ways. So 5 4 this. Okay. Now after sitting gentlemen and ladies, gentlemen occupies four seats, one left here. Ladies sit three, so two are left here, two and one, three. After sitting arrangement of gentlemen and ladies, three seats are available now, and children can sit anywhere. So three positions are left, and children can take their seats in three, two into one. This is the position. So for each set, for ladies, this one, for this set, for boys or children, this. So this is our answer. So it is 5 into 4, 20, 60. Up to this is 60. Up to that is another 60. So 3600. This into that. Digit still left 6 into 2, that is 12. 43200. I think this is answer. 43200. Our next problem. Uh, a four-digit number divisible. Oh, it is already done. Just 1 minute. A girl have three 5 rupees coin, five 2 rupees coin, five four 1 rupee coin, and three 50 paisa coin. So once again I am repeating, a girl had three 5 rupee coin, 5 2 rupee coin, 4 1 rupee coin, and so on. So in how many way she can help a beggar? In how many way? Not by how many amount, how many way. If he wish, she can give one 5 rupees coin, or two 5 rupees coin, or three 5 rupees coin, or he can give 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 1 or 2 or 3 or 5, and so on. And if she thinks he can give all of his coins to the beggar, this is number of way, how many number of way she can help a beggar. Okay, let us think the problem in that way. She has three 5 rupees coin. So with respect of 5 rupees coin, he can give 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, why 3 plus 1? One 5 rupee coin, or two 5 rupee coin, or three 5 rupee coin, and this one is no 5 rupee coin. In that case, help will be from other coins. That's why it is 3 plus 1. Similarly, for each of that about 2 rupees coin, she have 5 2 rupees coin. So she can help with respect to 2 rupees coin 5 plus 1, either 1 or 2 or 5 or 0. In that case, help will be from this and that. Similarly, for this one, 1 rupee coin, she have 4 plus 1 into 50 rupees coin, she has 3 plus 1. This way she can help. But in one extreme case, this is no 5 rupee coin, this is no 2 rupee coin, this is no 1 rupee coin, this is no 50 paisa coin. So this extreme case, no help is there. So in one extreme case, there is no help. No 5 rupee, no 2 rupee, no 1 rupee, no 50 paisa. So total number of help is this, and it is answer. That is 4 into 6 into 5 into 4 minus 1. That is 30, 16 is equal to 479. Acha, straight cut, the formula is, suppose one object, uh, suppose one object N1, it is repeated A times. Another object B, 5 rupees coin is repeated for 3 times, repeated for A times, for B times, N3 is repeated for C times, etc. Then answer is A plus 1 into B plus 1 into C plus 1 minus 1, and this is answer. Same is the formula when one number is given, total number of factors. This way we can do it. Take one example. Total number of factors of 3780. Total number of factors of this is 51, 50, 48, and 47. For this type of problem, one number is given, its total number of factors, including that. For that purpose, we first of all try to factorize it with prime factors. And this can be done take, okay, 2. 2. Nine. Now take 5. 3. I am taking only prime factors. We can divide by this 9, but I am taking only prime factors. 3. Okay, if it is okay, all right, then I have for this number 2, the prime factor 2, it is repeated 2 times. 5, it is repeated 1 time. 3, it is repeated 1 to 3, 3 times. And 7, it is repeated once. So total number of factors is 2 plus 1. Why 2 plus 1? Using 1 2 or 2 2, or this is for no 2. In that case, factors will be from there. Similarly, into 5 is repeated 1 time, so 1 plus 1 into this is 3 is repeated 3 times, 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1. So it is equal to 3 into 2 into 4 into 2 minus 1. So it is actually equal to 6 into 8, 48, 8, 16, 48 minus 1. So 47 is answer. This is answer. Mind that. This 40 in 40 answer is 47. Here, actually, this number is included, but 1 is not included. 1 is factor of all numbers. So this number is included. This is a factor of this itself, but 1 is not counted here. Mind that. X, Y, Z and W are the real variables. Then total number of integral solution of the equation X, Y, Z, W is equal to 210. This is a algebraic equation. X, Y, Z, W all are variables. So 4 variables are there. Their product is 210. Then how many possible solutions are there? Again, first of all, try to factorize it with prime factors. So 210, 7 is there. Then 5, 3, 2. So in fact, it has 4 factors, 7 into 5 into 3 into 2. And there is also 4 factors. One is X, other is Y, Z and W. So they are all prime, so we cannot further decompose it. So X can assume either 7 or 5 or 3, 2. So X can assume any 4 values. X assumes one of them, 3 left. So Y can assume rest 3, then Z 2 and W 1. So this is answer 1224. So total number of all possible solutions is 24. The same problem, suppose solve x, y, z, w are variables, the number of integral solution of x, y, z, w is equal to 150. Same problem, almost same problem. So again factorize it. So 150, 5, 30, 5, 6, 3, 2. Here also we can factorize it into this way, 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. 4 factors and they are all prime. So x can assume any one of them. After that, y can assume any 3 of them and so on. But here, one factor 5 is repeated twice. So our answer is for x 4, for y 3, for z 2, for w 1. And as because this is repeated twice, answer is this. So 12. 12 possible set of solution is there. Next problem. One 4-digit number is to be formed by using 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 such that product of the digits used in the number is divisible by 7. Repetition is not allowed. Number of such factors, number of such numbers. So there are altogether 7 digits and we have to form a 4-digit number such that product of the digits of the number should be divisible by 7. And because 7 is prime number, so the total 7 is prime factor, so one of the number digit used in the number must be 7, otherwise their product is not divisible by 7. That's why, so we take 7, one of the number. 7 must be one of the digit used in that number. So after that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are left, and from there we have to choose 3 more. So this can be done, this can be done one way, only 7. And for each set, 6C3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and out of them 3. That is 6C3. This way we can choose these 4 digits such that one of them is always 7. Now we get this number of sets in our hand and they are altogether they are 4. So for each set, total number of total number of numbers is factorial 4. Then our answer is this. So it is factorial 6 by factorial 3 into factorial 3 into factorial 4. This is answer. You can simplify it very easily. You can simplify that. In option, it was given 6c3 into factorial 4. This is given as option. Okay, today is up to this. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it if not already subscribed. Thank you.